Alam mo ba na ang first step sa pag-a-apply ng student visa ay ang school application? Kailangan na may proof ka muna na enrolled ka sa Australia bago ka makapag-apply ng student visa. So here is the step-by-step process of school application in Australia. Number 1. Find the best school in your target city. Number 2. Comply the requirements and submit it to the school. Number 3. Wait for 2 to 3 days after submission for the offer letter. Number 4. Check the offer letter carefully and once decided, pay for the initial tuition fee. And lastly, number 5. Wait up to 2 to 5 days for your confirmation of enrollment. And that's it. And you're done with the first step of your application. If you want to know more, just message us or book your